our ambassador to any country. So I'm sure you'd want to make some few remarks to Otumfuo. Thank you.
Thank you. Your Majesty, Lady Janet and myself could not be in Ghana without coming to greet you. So we greet you, we pay you our respects, we honor you, but also we bring you the greetings of all your loyal subjects and many friends in the United Kingdom. We recall with great pleasure and pride the picture of you being received by our King at Buckingham Palace. King Charles I and his successor, King Charles III, all those monarchs over many years have had a special relationship with the Gold Coast as was, Ashanti and Ghana as is. That relationship, Your Majesty, has had its ups and downs. Nobody who knows the history of Ashanti and the United Kingdom cannot forget the stout resistance of the Ashanti people to imperial rule. And so we all say, British or Ghanaian, Ashanti Kotoko. We bring you their loyal greetings too. But Your Majesty, we have another purpose in your kingdom. It is to thank you for all you have done for the health and welfare of your people. And tomorrow, Lady Janet is taking me to the Otumfuo Teaching Hospital. Why is she taking me there? Because she is raising money, raising support for a child cancer unit and for treatment for children suffering from cancer at Otumfuo. In doing that, Your Majesty, she follows in your footsteps. For you have founded a sickle cell unit that is without parallel in Africa. And for that, we all thank you. We thank you for all you have done for the welfare and health of your people. And we say with one voice, Medasi, Medasi Papa.